Bob, 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 we need your lead. All right. How about go down here? Judy's gonna hold them, and remember, you want to get low, honey.
Okay.
And that might be. Let's see what you got here.
All right, now they're over in the corner.
Right, but you see where the dog's then in the center of the whole thing? And we can stop whenever you want, and we can do it a number of times, but are you recording now?
Yeah.
Bobby! Ready? Frankie, Frankie, Frankie! Bobby, come here! Frankie, Frankie, Frankie! Yee! That's a boy, that's a boy, that's a boy, that's a boy! Woo! Franklin! All right. Why do you call him that way? We'll just play back and forth. Frankie, Frankie, Bobby, get back, get back! Frankie's the football. All right. Here's her. Judy's gonna hold your lead. Judy's gonna hold your lead. Good boy. That's a good boy. Ready? Baba! Good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, Frankie, good boy. Good boy, Frankie. Good boy. I think it's better when they come this way because of the camera, because it shows more Frankie being happy. Here, Bob. Here, Bob. Here, Bob. Frankie. 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 Come on, boy. So Frankie can be on this side. Don't you agree? Because Frankie looks happy. Ready, ready, ready? Come here. Woo! That's our coppers. Good boy. All right. Okay, who's a good puppy? Franklin, are you a good boy? Now wait. Bobby, lie down. Excuse me. Lie down. Good boy. Lie down. Frankie, lie down. Good boy. Wait there. Good dogs. Wait there. You lie down. Wait there. Good boy. Wait there. Ready, ready, ready. You come. Good doggies. Oh my. Where go? Here, Frankie. Move this side. Here, Frankie, this way. Oh, stop. Come here, Frankie. Bob, lie down. Mr. Newman, lie down. Frankie, lie down. Good boy. Bob, lie down. Wait there. Wait there. Wait there. Frankie, you cheated! Lie down. Good boy. Don't you cheat. Wait there, so they're going to come toward you this time.
Okay.
Wait there. Ready? Ready? Okay, let's go! Did you get his faces?
Yep.
Good. Let's do that one again.
Yeah, do that one again.
Look at his tail. All right. Okay, Bobby. Lie down. Frankie, lie down. Excuse me. Frankie, lie down. Wait there. Wait. Frankie, don't you cheat. Here, Frankie, lie down. Excuse me. Frankie, leave it. Lie down. Boy. There. Bob, wait there. Wait there. Ready, Rose?
Yep.
Okay, let's go! Good boys. Right on their lands. Good boy.
Baby.
Good boy. How about if we just, I'm going to walk him over to Judy and get his tail wagging. Get Frankie's tail. Who's a good boy? Frankie's a good boy. Yee, 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 yee. All right, lie down. Bob, lie down. Good boy. Frankie, lie down. Good boy. Now, you boys wait right there. Wait there. Wait there. You cheated again. Lie down. Good boy. Wait there. No cheating, Frankie. Wait there. Let's go! Good boys. What else does she want from Frankie?
Just doing dog things. If he does any tricks or running back and
We'll
forth.
do him. Show us how easy he lies down. Here, now. Bob, sit. Good boy. Wait there, Frankie.
Looking at place bed too.
Pardon me?
You want looking at place bed?
I still didn't understand you.
I could go get a place bed.
Okay.
Maybe have them get on the place
The
bed.
Cordura bed or the
The
mat?
veranda.
Yeah, yeah.
Can we do-
Sure, sure. Bob, wait. Wait a minute, guys.
Think Frankie would do the shopping cart?
The what?
The shopping cart?
No. No, I don't. No, I don't. Because he'd have to be up off his 4 feet, and I don't think he'd be comfortable doing that, personally. And Mr. Newman, you need a bath so bad you were a scruff muffin.